Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make tortellini soup with Italian sausage and spinach. This recipe is such a delicious comfort food, perfect for those cold evenings, and it's also easy and healthy enough to make for a weeknight dinner. Also in this video, I'm going to be eating the food when it's ready, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Now let's get started.
Alright guys, I have my soup pot heated over medium heat. I am adding some olive oil into that. Once the oil gets hot, we're going to toss in some Italian sausage. I'm using mild Italian sausage, and make sure you remove the skin of your Italian sausage, okay guys? Go ahead and use your spatula to break the sausage into little chunky pieces, just like that. Then you're going to cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're no longer pink. Italian sausage come pre-seasoned, so we're not going to season this with salt and pepper. We're just going to toss in some chopped onions and garlic. Then cook those for about 2 minutes until they get fragrant. Next, we're going to add some crushed tomatoes. We're also adding some chicken broth and a little bit of sugar to cut down the acidity of the tomatoes and give your soup a very nice taste. Next, I have some basil going in for additional flavor. Then we're going to season with salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything together, and this was smelling so good already, you guys. I couldn't wait to eat it. Once everything is mixed in, you're going to let this come to a simmer, then place the lid on and let it cook on medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes. My sauce has been cooking for about 30 minutes. It has thickened and developed a nice rich color, and the meat is very tender. Next step, we're going to add in some cheese tortellini. You can find this at the frozen section of your grocery store. Last, we're adding some spinach, then mix everything together. Then let it cook for about 5 minutes or until the spinach has wilted and the tortellini has softened. Once the spinach and tortellini have had time to soften, you are ready to enjoy some delicious, comforting soup. And I highly recommend enjoying the soup with some baguette because they pair so well together. You can toast your baguette with garlic, butter, or cheese. I won't judge you, that's exactly what I did.
The soup has a lot of creaminess and a rich flavor from the tomatoes combined with the Italian sausage and the cheesy pasta. So good. I'm gonna go in with my bread. You have to eat this with garlic bread or something crunchy, you know. This is so freaking good, you guys. And the baguette smells so good, really crunchy. Scoop it with the bread. You also saw how easy it was to make this. You don't have to settle for canned soup. Even though this is soup, it also makes a good dinner because there is pasta, meat, and vegetables in here. Everything you need in one. dip the rest with my bread. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed spending time with me today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you soon. Bye.